Hello students, good morning. Now we are starting the new topic of these chapters. The topic name is component of the map. There are three components of map. These three parts are direction, scale and the conventional signs, that is symbols. First one is that directions. Generally when you are observe the map, you see sign of north. This arrow sign indicates the north direction is that students, downside n is written. If you have any knowledge of north directions, that you can easily decide about the rest of the directions. If you stand facing the rising suns, then the time of north directions will be your left hand, students. Okay, when we are standing and our face should be the in front of when sun rises, okay, that is east side. So our left hand side should be north, students, and the south will be your right side. If north is left, then opposite right hand side is south, while west directions will be your back side, okay, and east direction should be your east side. So this way you can easily find out the directions, okay. After that, the four main directions are shown in the above mentioned figure 12.5, okay. That here we can see that while the other are the intermediate directions are there and the angles. Yes students, four main directions are written: north, south, east, west, okay. That is yellow color is that, and the blue color lines are there, that is intermediate, okay. That is the intermediate directions are there. So north and east, between the northeast is that, east and south, that is southeast is there, and south in west, that is southwest is that, and west to north, that is northwest is that, okay. These types of subdirections are also there. It is mentioned with the blue lines. So any of your place can be found out in the map with the help of directions and the intermediate. After that, the scale is that, students. Ratio of the distance between the two places on the earth, that is the distance between the two locations of the map, is called scale. Scale is 1 centimeter, it is equal 100 kilometer, means that 1 centimeter shown in the map is actual distance is 100 kilometer distance on the earth. Distance can be found using the thread and scale. After that, students, that is the some maps. On map we have some signs are there, okay, that is symbols are there. Students, friends, you might have observed many special signs or the symbols when you come to the schools from home. Draw the seen the signs given in the table and discuss about them in the classroom. Here some signs are there, students, and you all know that, okay. After that, various physical and cultural details are shown in the map with the help of some signs, which are called the conventional signs, definite alphabet, shadow light, color pictures, and the lines are used to show the conventional signs. In the map, physical and cultural details can easily be shown in the map with the help of conventional signs. Conventional signs map are in the simple and the universally accepted language. Since there is a international agreement regarding these symbols and signs. So conventional signs are used in the map. Observe the conventional signs and the tables given in the below, and then understands with the help of your teacher. Okay students, here all signs are given and these signs are useful to us to understand map. If we know these signs, then only we understood easily to the map. Okay students, here our lesson is over. Bye. Thank you. Yes. Apart from the sign, different physicals and the cultural details can be shown with the help of different colors and the chlorophytes. Physical and cultural details given in the table are shown in the map with the help of color. So every color is indicates some different things. Here we can see that landforms are there, that is color brown. Okay, and brown color also here we can see. After that, water bodies are there. Some water, if we want to show in the on the map, we are using blue color. The vegetation's region is that is green color. Rail route is that is black color. Roadways is that is red color. And the agriculture is that is showing yellow color. Here is that the location of India is that India is the vast land part. India lies in the north in east hemispheres of the earth. India lies in the south of the continent of Asia. Himalaya mountain ranges is situated in the north of the India. Bay of Bengal is situated in the eastern directions, and the Arabian Sea is situated in the west directions. The area of mainland of India lies between 8°.4 to 37°.6 north latitudes and the 68°.7 to the 97°.25 east longitudes. That is, Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the center part of the India. At the present, India is divided into 28 states, 7 union territories and 1 national capital of the sake of any administration. Okay students, here lesson is over. Bye.